Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where an overloaded truck overturned while going through a curve, causing severe damage, to the situation where a speeding truck failed to maintain a safe distance, resulting in a terrible accident that caused severe damage to the vehicle. This video was created for educational purposes and contains incidents involving large trucks witnessed in various situations, highlighting the inherent challenges and risks of operating large commercial vehicles on the road. Join us to witness these incredible moments on the road and learn valuable driving lessons. Let's get on. Be mindful of the center of gravity, especially when negotiating curves. Whoops cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them prone to tipping. Everyone be vigilant and observant for your surroundings, especially when approaching intersections, alleys, or side streets. Adopt a defensive driving mindset by assuming that other drivers may not always follow. Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Be careful, folks, okay? Oh my God, which driver carelessly left the car in the middle of the road? Don't imitate this behavior. Distribute the weight from your belongings evenly. Inside the caravan, avoid overloading it, especially with heavy items. Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Oh no, this is the consequence of driving into lanes at the same time. Please stay in your own lane. I think in this case, it is necessary to keep a safe distance, instead of blaming anyone who is wrong. Even with the road work, here's still plenty of signage people, just ignore them. Maybe they'll learn a lesson. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. Oh my, the driver must have been nodding off while driving. Avoid driving when you're not fully alert. I always wear seatbelts all the time. I don't allow people in my car unless they wear one. People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. This incident was simply a failure to maintain a safe distance. Fortunately, no one got hurt. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. I hope he learns his lesson after all. Glad he's okay. Even though this is a common sight, don't take it for granted. Obey traffic laws, mate. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Folks never move in front of the truck that slows down right. Never. Oh my God. Never cut in front of or rush out in front of trucks. Please be careful. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously, because any time can be a hydroplane moment. Always stay alert and focused when driving, especially when approaching curves or unfamiliar roads. Drivers. Approaching the intersection, both should slow down because the light had turned yellow. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. It looks like the center of gravity was unstable. The small truck is really lucky. Folks, let's drive with a safe following distance. It prompts a more comfortable and confident driving experience. Keep your attention on the road and your surroundings. At all times, everyone. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go. Without overcorrecting, avoid slamming into brakes, as this can worsen the slide, and everyone is alive. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. This is the consequence of cutting into the lanes of other vehicles. Hopefully, the driver has learned a lesson. Well, minimize the use of brakes within the curve. Hard braking during a curve can lead to loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the curve. I think in this case, it is necessary to keep a safe distance, instead of blaming anyone who is wrong. Be cautious of drivers who may change lanes abruptly or tailgate. Do not imitate this. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.